Welcome. In front of me I have ASUS Zenfone 7 Pro, and today I will show you how we can increase screen sensitivity. We can make it on the two ways. I will show you both of them. So at the first we have to go for the settings, then find display. Right now we have to find the system navigation and then tap on the gesture navigation. Let's tap on the settings icon on the right edge of the smartphone, and as you can see here we can easily change this sensitivity from low to high setting, right? I will stay with this one, and basically you just have to simply tap on it, point, and don't swipe like I do. So let's make it like that. Click OK, and you can also increase the screen sensitivity by going for the advanced settings, then move to the glove mode, and then tap it right here, and our sensitivity touch will be increased when we are wearing glasses. So that's how we can make it. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel.